Tired of chasing empty promises? Hi, I'm Steve King, and if you're like me, you're tired of all those push-button riches that never deliver. You've tried, you've been frustrated, and you're still looking for something that actually works. Would you like to finally start making money online? And better yet, would you like to start making a profit? If you answered yes, you're in the right place. I've put together a simple, easy-to-follow program that could have you making a profit online in as little as 3 days. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Those don't work. This is a real business model that requires effort but offers great rewards. So what is profit from CD-ROMs? It's simple. I sell digital products on eBay, burned onto CD-ROMs. Information products, video coaching, picture packs, audio files, anything that can be digitized. Once you know what to sell and how to list it, it's easy to replicate. The beauty of this model? No money tied up in stock, no cash flow problems. Plus, the target customer base is huge. Imagine having a business that sells CD-ROMs of products people want to buy, all created with standard computer equipment you probably already own. And just imagine if you could get these CD-ROMs in front of thousands of collectors around the world. Now, make it a reality. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. My strategy is simple, and I provide support to help you every step of the way. Work at your convenience. Whether it's an hour after work, during lunch, or any time that suits you. You can pause and resume whenever it fits your schedule. Grow the business at your own pace. Inside the course, you'll find everything you need. How to get organized source materials, create burn files, and set up your sales page. Plus, additional coaching on eBay policies and communication skills, and I'm committed to keeping the content updated so you're always ahead. I want you to succeed. If you do, you'll be happy and you'll spread the word. I'm committed to delivering high-quality coaching and support. And remember, I offer a 30-day guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you get your money back. Click the buy button to get instant access. Start your journey to online profit today with profit from CD-ROMs. Your success is my success. See you inside.